Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're diving into a stunning and easy to care for houseplant, the purple Swedish ivy. Purple Swedish ivy isn't technically an ivy, it's part of the mint family. Its fast growing vines and vibrant foliage make it a great choice for anyone looking to add a splash of color to their plant collection. Purple Swedish ivy is native to the warm climates of southern Africa. Despite its name, it's not from Sweden. The Swedish in its name comes from its popularity as a houseplant in Scandinavian homes. This gorgeous plant features trailing vines with round, glossy leaves that have a slight serration along the edges. The undersides of leaves boast a rich purple hue, giving the plant its name and adding a pop of color to any arrangement. Occasionally, it produces small tubular lavender flowers that add to its charm. Purple Swedish Ivy loves bright indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions indoors. Outdoors, it thrives in partial shade. Use a well-draining potting mix with added organic matter for best results. Keep the soil consistently moist but never soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. This plant prefers temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and thrives in moderate to high humidity. If indoors, consider misting the leaves occasionally. Trim the vine regularly to encourage bushier growth and prevent the plant from becoming leggy. Purple Swedish Ivy pairs beautifully with other cascading plants such as pothos or ferns in mixed containers. Its vibrant foliage creates a striking contrast when combined with upright plants like caletheas or peace lilies, making it a perfect choice for dynamic indoor arrangements. One special trait of the purple Swedish ivy is its rapid growth. It's a fast spreader, making it ideal for filling in hanging baskets or creating a trailing effect over the edges of pots. Its soft stems can also root easily when in contact with soil, making propagation a breeze. And that's the purple Swedish ivy, an easy care plant with vibrant foliage that's perfect for brightening any space. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more plant tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Happy planting.